guys? KidMar95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we have a technical analysis on Reddcoin here. Currently up about 6% for the day, sitting just below half a penny? Just slightly above a little bit more than half a penny, sitting at 7,543. But we're looking at the BTC value up about 4%, sitting at 89 Satoshis. But really quick though, folks, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap is sitting at 389 billion. Today's volume is 22 billion. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 37.2. So it looks like most of these currencies are starting to recover after that Upbit scandal. The police was researching Upbit for fraud. I still don't have an update on that, but that's what pretty much I believe caused that dramatic drop. So Bitcoin up about almost 2% for the day, folks, sitting just below 8,500. Waiting for that 4-hour close above 8,500 before we take an entry. Ethereum up about 4.5%, sitting at 686. Ripple up about 5%, sitting just below 70 cents at 69. Hopefully that one takes off. EOS up about almost 7%, sitting at $14. Bitcoin Cash up 10. Litecoin up 4, sitting at 140. Cardano up 8, sitting at 27. Lumen's up almost 14, sitting at 36. Who are the big winners today? Substratum, nice, up about 17. We just added the bag to that. Ontology, nice. We just added to that bag as well, up 15. And Polymath up 14. Wow. 3, 4 out of my 5. Dang. 5 out of my 7 coins are some of the top gainers. Lucky me. But you folks came here for some Reddcoin technical analysis. Market cap is sitting at 217 million. Today's volume is 8.9 million. Sorry. Circulating supply is about 28 billion. Major exchanges here, folks. Upbit, dun dun dun. Bittrex, Cryptopia, Yobit, and Cryptopia already, and Trade Satoshi looks like are the major exchanges. Let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin really quick. So, we had that little bearish engulfing, and then the Upbit scandal, dramatic push towards the downside. However, we did find support here at about 8,250. Are we going to hold? Is this just going to be a small retracement, and then we're going to fail to break through 9,000 and then continue towards the downside? What's going to happen? Well, momentum seems like it's bottomed out. Seems like we've definitely found support. But let's go ahead and switch over to the 4-hour, see what the 4-hour is showing us. So the 4-hour is showing us some consolidation here. However, it is showing us momentum has definitely shifted towards the upside. We did consolidate here for a little bit before we decided to break above 8,250. Broke towards the upside. It looks like now we've actually retraced towards this level for support. What am I waiting for? I'm actually waiting for a break and close above 8,500 on the 4-hour. Once we break and close above 8,500 on the 4-hour, expecting this to come up to about 9,300, and then we'll see how price reacts at this level. But definitely, if we get the break and close above 8,500 on the 4-hour, definitely expecting it to come to this level. Just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. You guys already know. Taking a look at Ethereum here, looks like we could potentially be getting a double bottom. Let me go ahead and take out my paintbrush. Bottom 1, looks like this could be bottom 2. Oops, sorry about that. Let me put my phone down over here. But bottom 1, bottom 2. So what I'm actually waiting for here on Ethereum is the break and close above 700 on the 4-hour. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Switch over to the 4-hour. Zoom out a little bit for you. So it looks like we actually have a double bottom here, and then another bottom for confirmation. Let me go ahead and move that. And this is why I like to use multiple time frames, because you see a lot more detail. Like I didn't know there was a double bottom here. I thought there was a double bottom over here, not this. So now we actually have a triple bottom. So this just leads me to more confirmation. But I'm actually waiting for the break and close above. Let me go ahead and bring this down. On the 4-hour, the break and close is showing us if we break and close above 695, Ethereum should be good to go. It looks like we're actually going to, possibly going to be doing that. Looks like we got some higher lows forming here. But just my personal opinion, folks. You already know. I'm not a financial advisor. Finally, taking a look at Litecoin here. Looks like we found support. We did consolidate here for a little bit. Finally broke, formed a higher high, higher low, higher high. However, it looks like we failed to form a higher low here. This is a lower low, but still in a bullish trend, or short-term bullish trend at least. Let's go ahead and zoom out, look at some price action on the 4-hour. So what I'm waiting for on Litecoin is the break and close above 142 on the 4-hour. Once we get the break and close above 142 on the 4-hour, Litecoin should be good to go. However, if we do not break and close above this level, expect Litecoin to fall down to about 120. Just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. You guys already know. And finally, you folks came here for some Reddcoin to BTC technical analysis. Bittrex is the broker we're looking at. TradingView is the platform. Looks like we're currently testing major support here at about 84 to 87 Satoshis. Let's go ahead and zoom out. Actually, let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly really quick. See what the weekly is showing us. So the weekly is actually showing us that we formed a higher high. This high beat this high. So we're actually looking for a higher low. Now, let me go ahead and zoom out. We do have a higher low here, as you can tell. This wick is down here, and this wick is right here. This one is above this one. Price starting to retrace. So that's a higher low. So long term, it looks like we are definitely starting to form an uptrend. You know, just a little bit harder to see. We did get that up bit scandal. That's what happened with this dramatic drop towards the upside. As you saw, Upbit is the #1 exchange actually for Reddcoin. So that's why you see this dramatic drop. Price think, you know, people kind of just, you know, coming back to reality, just kind of being normal about things. Price consolidated here for a bit. Looks like today has come as low as about 86 Satoshis, and it looks like we're slowly rising. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour, see what the 4-hour is showing us. Reddcoin is actually one of my favorite coins. Pretty cheap coin as well. So what I'm actually waiting for on Reddcoin, last time we were at this price, we went from about 84 all the way up, double topped all the way up at 120, you know, 119, almost 120. Expecting the same thing to happen. You know, price usually tends to react as it did in the past. So what I'm actually waiting for, folks, is the break and close above 89 Satoshis. Once we break and close above 89 Satoshis on the 4-hour, expecting Reddcoin to take off. Where do I see Reddcoin going in 2018, folks? Well, let me go ahead and zoom out for you. So Reddcoin's 2018 all-time high was about 195. So that's my first target for Reddcoin. And my second target is a little bit more aggressive. Let me go ahead and bring it down. And it's actually 300 Satoshis. But again, folks, this is just my personal opinion. Not a financial advisor. But that's pretty much it for today's video. Can't even talk, man. I'm tired. It's been a long week. That's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to reach-team, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed and you guys have post notifications turned on. I do post a new video every single day. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.